Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a 99 Nights in the Forest Godzilla vs. Kong surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today.
Now to start off with our Godzilla vs. Kong 99 Nights in the Forest surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines to show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for that fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin over here with Godzilla. So I'm going to begin with the eyes. I'm going to begin by making an oval shape right here, and you can see it's kind of angled for the eye. Next, I'm going to draw a smaller oval shape inside of here. It's going to be kind of looking off towards the top. Next, right here, let's go ahead and make a line that's going to come out and then down to here. We're going to make a line here and a line here for the nose. Right here, let's make another oval shape for the other eye. And then we'll make a line that's going to kind of curve around up here. Starting here, let's make a line that's going to come around and then down to here. Then we'll make a line that's going to come down and then over. Next, I'm going to bring this line down to about here. And then I'm going to bring this line down to here. I'm going to curve this line down. Now I'm going to make some curved lines right across here, just so it kind of looks like there's scales on them. Now to add some spikes on here, let's do this. I'm going to make a couple little pointed lines like this. Then I'll make a 4-pointed one right here. We'll make some bigger ones right down here down the back. And I'll put one more here. Now over here, let's draw Kong. So I'm going to begin right here at the eye. So I'm going to make an oval shape. And you can see it's kind of slightly at that angle again. We'll make another oval shape right inside of here too. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up, over, and down. Then I'm going to curve a line down here. And then we'll curve a line down here. Right here, I'm going to make another oval shape right here. And I'll make the other pupil right there. Now I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go down and up. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up here for the head. Put a couple little points for some fur. Then I'm going to bring this line down here. Then I'm going to bring this line over here. Right here, I'm just going to make a little curve shape with a little line in there for the ear. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. And I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down here. I'll make a little curve here. Now, we have our two drawings of our two 99 Nights in the Forest Godzilla Kong entities. Now, our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our picture. We've got our Godzilla, and then we've got our Kong. So let's start over here with Godzilla. So I'm going to begin right here, and the first thing I'm going to do is draw this line down here to connect. Then I'm going to start adding some more of these kind of spikes back here. So I'm just going to kind of put a few more spikes right along here just to kind of fill up the area. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'm going to bring it all the way over to here. I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to bring this all the way over to here. Then I'm going to bring this line down to connect. Then right in here, I'm going to make one of his like atomic blasts coming out. So I'm going to make some pointed zigzag lines that are going to come right to here. And then I'm going to bring them back. Then I'm going to make some sharp teeth right across the top here. And then some sharp teeth right across the bottom. I'm going to make a line here. And then a line here. Then I'm going to draw a line down here. And a line down here. Next, over here, let's work on Kong. So the first thing I'm going to do is let's bring this line all the way down here. Then I'm going to take this line, I'm just going to curve it over to here. We're going to bring this up a little bit, and we're going to kind of bring it over here. Then we're going to make a long line down here. I'm going to make a point here with a couple little rounded ones and one more here for some teeth. And then we're going to make a couple little rounded bumps here. Let's draw a line down here. And then one more in here for the mouth. Next, we're going to draw a line down here to connect this. And then we'll draw another line right here to connect this. Next, right here, I'm actually going to start here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up here. I'm going to make a long, kind of skinny thumb like this. And then I'm going to make 1, 2, and 3 bumps. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up here with a couple points, and it's going to come down. Then we're going to draw a line here with a couple bumps on it. I'm going to make a line that's going to come over and then up here for the arm. I'm going to make a couple big points like this, and then a line that comes down here. So it looks like Kong's holding Godzilla's like axe. And then I'm going to make a couple little points here. And let's go ahead and put some little X's on there. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Godzilla and Kong 99 Nights in the Forest Entity Surprise Fold. So when we have it all folded up, we've got the two staring each other down. Then when we open it, you can see Godzilla's blast and Kong trying to deflect it with his axe. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.